Such a good question. I'm 7 years post-divorce, and my immediate family on more than one occasion has invited my ex-spouse for holidays. About 2 summers ago, I met with my sister and father and explained that I am not coming to family events if my ex is there. My sister messaged me and said that Christmas is at her house this year, but she wanted to let me know that my ex-husband has decided he's going to be there. I politely declined. At what point do I just cut ties? They clearly have chosen and continue to choose him over me. My boundaries have been very clear. The fact that he's allowed to make this decision about my family holiday is infuriating, and they don't bother to stick up for me. Am I wrong to close the door on them? You can only be shown you're not a priority so many times, it hurts. My name is Billy Tarasio. This question is from the Modern Divorce Support Group, and I love to see how much support this poster is getting. And also, it's crazy to see from the amount of comments, there's 76 comments, how often this happens. This is not unusual. Extended families, your family may choose your ex over you in a relationship moving forward. I think there's a couple things going on here. One, a grandmother on this post, commented and said she invites everybody because she doesn't want the grandkids to have to miss out being with one of their parents. So she decides to take it upon herself to invite all the parents. So this grandmother knows better than each of the parents and is going to go ahead and make the decision for you of whether or not your family should celebrate together. To me, not your call, Grandma. Not your call. But if you want to alienate your daughter or your son and invite their ex over their disputes and you feel like that's within your right, totally your call, but I think you're wrong. People struggle with divorce. People in your immediate family may struggle with your divorce. They have developed a relationship with you and your spouse, and they may have a really hard time losing that relationship. Now, they don't have to lose the relationship. When it comes to holidays, when it comes to family events, though, my opinion, whether or not somebody's ex is present at a family event should only be up to the actual ex, the spouse, the child. So if I am the child, I get to decide whether or not I'm going to go anywhere where my ex is. And I would hope that my immediate family would love me more than my ex. I think this is incredibly sad that this happens as often as it does, but it looks like it really does happen quite often. And I would just invite you all to share both your opinions and your experiences. Have you ever seen this? What do you think of this? I have a clear feeling on this. Do you agree with me?